The second part of what we're going to do today is using our Lit Circle book. So once everyone in your table group gets back and is seated, go ahead and each of you will grab a piece of blank paper and you're going to create a print ad that uses Ethos, Pathos, and logos that connects to your Lit Circle book. So you can have an advertisement just for the book in general. So if you're reading The Maze Runner, it could be a book that is trying to get people to purchase the book The Maze Runner, or it can be something in the book. So again, if you are doing the book The Raft, you might have something to do with airplane safety, using the characters and using your knowledge of the raft. So, or survival skills. So, there's a lot of opportunities to do some different creative things. Each person in the group is going to create a print ad, and you want them all to be different. You don't want them to be exactly the same thing. So talk about what everybody might want to do. Make sure you have the paper, and you're going to start on those print ads today.